Hello guys! Today we are starting a new series on vocabulary. So, unlike the grammar videos or the read-along stories, this is going to be an opportunity for you to learn new words and to expand your vocabulary. I'm really excited to start this off. Our very first lesson is going to be about things that we can find in the kitchen. All over the world, kitchens are very different, but they also have many similarities. So, pay attention, because we're going to learn many new words today, and I hope to see you using some of those words in the comment section. Now, let's take a look at a picture of a kitchen that I would love to own. I want you to pause the video and tell me all of the things that you can find in the picture. We have 10 seconds. Here we go. Great work. You're off to a wonderful start. In the rest of this video, we're going to learn 20 words that will help us understand the different things we can find in the kitchen and how to use them properly. This is my kitchen. This is my kitchen. I cook in the kitchen. This is an oven. This is an oven. I bake food in the oven. This is a stove. This is a stove. I cook on the stove. This is a pot. This is a pot. I boil food in a pot. This is a saucepan. This is a saucepan. I cook food in a saucepan. This is a wok. This is a wok. I stir-fry food in a wok. This is a frying pan. This is a frying pan. I fry food in a frying pan. This is a baking sheet. This is a baking sheet. I bake food on a baking sheet. This is a fridge. This is a fridge. I store food in the fridge. This is a pantry. This is a pantry. I keep food in the pantry. This is a fork. This is a fork. I eat with a fork. This is a spoon. This is a spoon. I eat with a spoon. This is a knife. This is a knife. I cut with a knife. This is a microwave. This is a microwave. I heat up food in a microwave. This is a bowl. This is a bowl. I eat from a bowl. This is a plate. This is a plate. I eat off a plate. This is a glass. This is a glass. I drink from a glass. This is a coffee cup. This is a coffee cup. I drink from a coffee cup. This is a peeler. This is a peeler. I peel with a peeler. This is a spatula. This is a spatula. I stir with a spatula. Okay, so we just learned 20 new words. So before we move on, let's do a quick little game to see how well we remember them. That was awesome. You did a fantastic job. I'm always very proud of you. But before you leave, make sure you hit that subscribe and the like button and leave a comment in the comment section. By all means, tell me what you would like to see next, and I'll make sure I get that done for you. As always, I'll see you soon.